In this video, I'll show you how to undo a repost on your Instagram account using Android phone or iPhone. Let's say you have reposted a post or reels on your Instagram account and now you just want to remove it, then here's how you actually can do this process. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, now to remove repost on Instagram, you just open up the Instagram application from your Android phone or iPhone, and from the home page, go and tap on this profile icon at the bottom right. And from your profile, you just need to scroll down and you'll get to see the repost option. You just need to tap on this, and here it's going to show you all the posts that you have reposted on your profile. Now to undo or remove the repost from here, open up the post that you want to remove, and once it gets open, and he'll get to see the repost option is showing up right here. So if you tap on the repost option once again, the repost will be removed from your account. So if I get back from here and if I refresh the page a little bit, he'll get to see the video is actually being removed from the repost list. Following the same way, you can actually undo all your repost from your account. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.